Welcome to the SoloTrader Program by TradeMum.com. Today we'll give you a complete guide to earning passive income through auto trading on our SoloTrader platform. Whether you're a seasoned trader or are new to the game, our SoloTrader platform empowers you to capitalize on the dynamic cryptocurrency markets and achieve financial freedom on your own terms. Our SoloTrader platform is designed for individuals who prefer a hands-off approach to trading. On the SoloTrader platform powered by TradeMum.com, you can rent our advanced trading bots managed by expert traders, allowing you to automate your trading activities effortlessly. While our Team Trader program is ideal for beginners with a low entry barrier, solo trading is suitable for users with more experience on TradeMum.com and a larger trading capital. Here's how it works. You choose your bot from our diverse selection. Rent it for a nominal subscription fee, and it seamlessly connects with your exchange account, ready to execute trades on your behalf while being managed by one of our seasoned traders. With our profit sharing model, you only pay us a percentage of the profits generated by your rented bot, making solo trading a low risk, high reward investment opportunity. Our solo trading program offers flexible pricing plans where you pay a subscription fee to rent a bot for the next 3 months, allowing you enough time to make profits on our platform. While both Team Trader and Solo Trader programs offer opportunities for passive income generation through auto trading, the Solo Trader program is ideal for individuals who prefer larger trading capital from a minimum of $200 up to $100,000, while Team Trader is designed for those who wish to start small and grow their trading capital as they build and manage a trading team, since on Team Trader the minimum trading capital required is just $50 up to a maximum of $5,000. Join TradeMum.com today and unlock your path to passive income with our Solo Trader program.